Having a sleepy morning. I'm like 5 feet away. Oh, poor little guy's got a bad foot. Oh, I wonder what happened. That one's not that old. I would say probably like, he's using his foot. Can't tell if it's his ankle. No, it might be his whole leg. Oh, it's all the way up at the hip. He picks up the whole leg, stiff-legged. Oh, I wonder what would have happened. And if you're like, why are you still driving and making a move? Because he could just go off the road. Right on cue. Let's get one more shot of him here.